Welcome. If you want to create a poll in a Telegram group on your PC using the latest update, you're in the right place. Polls are a fantastic way to engage your group members, gather opinions, and make decisions collectively. Let me guide you through the simple steps to create a poll in your Telegram group. First, launch the Telegram app on your PC and make sure you are logged in. Then, open the group where you want to create the poll. At the top right corner of the group window, you'll see 3 vertical dots. Click on this icon to open a drop-down menu. From the drop-down, select Create Poll. This will open a new window where you can enter your poll question. Type in the question you want to ask your group members. Next, you need to add the poll options. Click on the text box under Poll Options and type your first answer choice. If you want to add more options, simply click the Add an Option button and type in the next choice. You can add as many options as needed to suit your question. Once you've entered your question and all the options, go to the top right corner and click Create to publish the poll in the group. Your group members will now be able to see the poll and submit their votes in real time. That's all it takes to create a poll on Telegram using the PC app's new update. It's easy, interactive, and a great way to involve your community in decisions or just have some fun voting. Give it a try in your groups today and watch the engagement grow.